So welcome back to my channel. Way to watching you guys once again. Hopefully you guys are doing well. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please go and subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon, press all to get notification for all my upcoming video. So this video I am making in my webcam, so quality is a little bit less, sorry for that, because this is screen sharing video basically. So I thought better to make in a single shot, that is why I am making this. So today's topic will be very important, very informative basically, because a lot of people are having doubt in their mind that what is the renewal procedure of CDC, what is duplicate CDC, and what is the replacement of CDC. So these three doubts today I will clear. So CDC, you guys all know, that is nothing but the continuous discharge certificate. Every seafarer will have the CDC. It's a basic document to sail on board. Without this you are not a sailor, you cannot sail on board. Okay, for crew, officer, CDC is trainee, CDC is mandatory. So now it's all about online basis, so I will not waste my time and your time also. So I'll move to the screen, share screen, and I will show you how to apply this CDC, not apply the other things. Okay, let me share the screen, then we'll talk. Okay, so now you can see me just in the screen. I'll log in to the DG shipping profile. You know how to do it. Then click over here, the second option, CDC management and COC as cook. Just click, go to submit application. CDC application for the first timer, no need to do this, because I am assuming that you are already having the CDC. So now click on the renewal of CDC. So these all details you have already put. These things you are required to put: valid passport, date of issue, place of issue, then your address, fees details, and 700 rupees is the fees details, and attach document. So scan copy of the signed application, passport size photograph, self attested scan copy, and your address proof or the passport. So these all details will be required. So the basic things I want to discuss over here, that in which circumstances you will be required this CDC, renewal of CDC. Renewal of CDC when you have completed 10 years as a CDC holder, that time you will be required the CDC renewal procedure. Okay, until unless you don't require this. So as you can see, renewal certificate will be given in the form of sticker, which the CDC holder may affix the additional page for the office use. CDC, original CDC not be forwarded to the shipping master. In that case, you don't need to forward your CDC to the shipping master, as well as you will not receive any kind of new CDC, only sticker. Okay, self adhesive sticker, there is special sticker is there, so you will receive that and you have to fix on your CDC. So that is the thing about the renewal of CDC. In that terms and condition you have to do. Now move to the duplicate of CDC. So here also same thing I will tell you when you have to do the duplication of CDC. Same thing, personal details, address, next of kin. And one thing I wanted to tell you, before applying any kind of CDC or COC, whatever it is, please make sure that your profile has been properly updated. Even a single course which you have done should be updated on your profile. Okay, now STCW certificate, fees details, again 700, attached documents, same, maybe FIR proof will be there, duplicate of CDC. Duplicate of CDC I will tell you in which condition you will do. And apart from that, all the things are there, and only another thing you have to add, that is the STCW courses, all certificate in a single PDF. And another thing, when you are uploading the documents, please make sure the format will be given like PDF, JPG, PNG. You have to check those format, and as per that you have to upload. So your personal details, you need to put your FIR details. Okay, so as you can understand, I think that duplication of CDC will do only if your CDC is lost or maybe stolen, maybe you misplaced, you don't have the CDC, your physical CDC with you. On that period of time you need to apply for your duplication of CDC. Okay, for that you have to register FIR to a police station and you need to have the FIR copy. Understand my point? So thank you. That is the thing. Now last but not the least, there is a replacement of your CDC. So same details, address, next of kin, STCW courses, fees details, 700 again, attached documents, same documents. Okay, here also you will record the STCW first self-attested CDC copy, first and last 2 pages. First and last 2 pages in the sense the details of your CDC page, this is your name, address, date of birth, your place of birth, that pages, and one copy of your CDC stamp pages, any one copy, not all pages but one copy that you have sold, something like that. Okay, so in what condition will be required? This is for the any condition actually. Okay, so condition is that suppose you have damaged your CDC or you spill tea or coffee on your CDC. Okay, apart from that, maybe CDC condition is not good. It happens. Many people I have seen, they take care of CDC like their own child, but sometimes maybe cannot. So in that case you have to replace your CDC in any kind of situation, if torn apart, in this kind of thing. So after doing this, you have to generate one application. So you have to send that application letter and your old CDC to the shipping master office or maybe same MD. Within a 1 month or 1.5 months, they will send you back with your old CDC as well as your new CDC. Okay, so that is the thing. You don't think that others to process or other to duplication of CDC and the renewal of CDC, which I have told you. In that case, you don't need to send anything anywhere. All will be done by your home. But in that case, you have to send your old CDC to the shipping master and they will send you back both CDC, and this process will take around 1 to 1.5 months. Okay, so that is the thing I wanted to tell you. I think hopefully you have your doubt is clear. So thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, please do not forget to subscribe my channel, hit the like button, press all to get notification for all my upcoming videos. Thank you guys for watching. See you in my next video. Signing off for the day.